Hi children, good morning. How are you? Very good. Do you play with your pets? Yes. Which are they? Rabbit, cow, hen, rabbit, cow, hen. These are the pets. Very good. What do you see in the picture? Yes, very good. Ball, dog, boy. Very good. There is a pet. Do you see? Yes, very good. A dog. What is the name of that dog? Bruno. Bruno the puppy. What is the color of Bruno? Yes, very good. White with black spot. Color of the Bruno is white with black spot. What is the boy doing? What is the boy doing? He is playing with his puppy, Bruno. He is playing with his puppy. What are the other things in this picture? House, flowers, green grass. What are the familiar words in this page? What are the familiar words in this page? Yes, very good. Go. Other word, familiar word. My. Friend. Very good, very good. Which are the new words? Bruno. Look here. Bruno, go and fetch the ball. Sachin called out to his puppy. Bruno rushed towards the ball. He came back with the ball. He wagged his tail. Well done, Bruno. You are my best friend. Come, let us go. Sachin hugged Bruno. Which are the new words? Fetch. F-E-T-C-H. Fetch. F-E-T-C-H. Fetch. Next, rushed. R-U-S-H-E-D. Rushed. Rust. Next, wagged. Wagged. W-A-G-G-E-D. Wagged. Next, hugged. 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 H-U-G-G-E-D. Hugged. These are the new words in this page. Tomorrow I will give dictation for these words. Then we go to next page. What do you see in the picture? Yes, very good. Puppy, Sachin. Can you guess why is Sachin going to outside? Can you guess? Why is Bruno running go to the gate? Can you guess why is Bruno running go to the gate? Let us read. Which is the familiar words in that page? Which is the familiar words? Very good. Gate, out, sad. Very good. Which are the new words in that page? Which are the new words in that page? Let us read. What is that sound? Oh, a fish അല്ല. Bruno ran towards the gate. The gate is open. Sachin ran after Bruno. Bruno, don't go out, Sachin shouted. But Bruno ran out of the gate. Sachin became sad. Father, Sachin called out. What are the new words? Yes, very good. Fish seller. Fish seller. Next, towards. Towards. Next, shouted. S H O U T E D. Shouted. Next new word, sad. These are the new words in this page. I will give you dictation tomorrow. Once more, what is that sound? Oh, a fish seller. Bruno ran towards the gate. The gate is open. Sachin ran after Bruno. Bruno, don't go out, Sachin shouted. But Bruno ran out of the gate. Sachin became sad. Father, Sachin called out. You can see Bruno running to the gate. Why is Bruno running to the gate? Very good. The fish seller is near the gate. Children, look. What do you see in the picture? Very good. Sachin, father, woman. This is a picture of a street. This is a picture of a street. What is the spelling of street? That is a new word. Look, which are the familiar words? Very good, park. Yes. Sachin. These are the familiar words. What are the new words in that page? Let us read. Did you see my puppy? Sachin asked a woman on the street. Yes, I just saw one running to the park, said the woman. Where is the park? It is not far from here. Go straight. It is near the bus stand, said the woman, pointing to the park. Thank you. Sachin and his father hurried to the park. What are the new words? Woman. W-O-M-E-N. Next word. Street. Street. S T-R-E-E-T. Street. Street. Next word. Straight. Straight. Not street. Straight. Yes. T-R-A-I. Not straight. Straight. Yes. T-R-A-I-G-H-T. നേരെ. Which is the next word? Hurried. 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 H-U-R-R-I-E-D. These are the new words in this page. Will Sachin and his father find Bruno in the park? Yes, very good. Have you ever been to a park? Yes, very good. What do you see in the park? What do you see in the park? Yes, very good. Bench, slide, green grass. What are the other things? Climber, slide. These are the swing. Very good. Swing. What is the spelling of swing? S-W-I-N-G. Very good. Very good. You study in the first standard about the park. A word about the park. Can you say the words about the park? Which are the words? Which are the words? Swing. Very good. Green grass. Slide. Nice. Flowers. Very good. Trees. Bench. Very good. Say loudly. Yes, very good. Park, park. Mary, go round. These are the words. These are the words you study in first standard. In next week, I will give you dictation, the words about the park. Then go to the next page. Did you see my puppy? Sachin asked a woman on the street. Yes, I just saw one running to the park. Said the woman, where is the park? It is not far from here. Go straight, it is near the bus stand, said the woman, pointing to the park. Thank you. Sachin and his father hurried to the park. Which are the familiar words in this page? Puppy, very good, puppy. Woman. Go to next page. What will Bruno do in the park? What do you see in the picture? Very good. Sing, sing. Say loudly. Green grass. Yes, climb, slide. Yes, very good. Flowers, trees, benches. This is a picture of a park. This is the picture of a park. What will Bruno do in the park? Let us read. Can you guess? What will Bruno do in the park? Yes, very good. Let us read. What a nice place. Bruno ran around the park. He sat on the swing. The swing moved to and fro. He jumped down from the swing. Wow, a slide. He climbed up and slid down. He rolled on the grass. Hi, a climber. He climbed up. Bruno then jumped onto a bench. Go away, shouted a boy. Bruno ran off. What are the new words in this page? Very good. These are the familiar words in this page because you study about park in the first standard. Very good, children. Nice children. What will Bruno do in the park? Yes, very good. He sat on the swing. Then he climbed up and slid down. Then he rolled on the grass. Then he jumped onto a bench. A boy shouted, "Go away!" Poor Bruno. Children, today's class is over. We will see tomorrow. Bye.